can fly.
Hey there, and what is up guys, Luminous Spectrum here, back again with another unboxing. So this time around, it's another power bank, but this time a larger and better bang for the buck option for all of you 20k mAh fans out there. So we have here, protected in bubble wrap, is the Romoss SW20 Pro from Lazada PH, and as of always, links would be put in the description box below. This is one of Romoss's newest releases that supports Quick Charge 3.0 in both input and output. The box looks minimalistic and clean, with a picture of the product at the front with a nice play of font sizes and styles, much like Apple box packaging. Well, not really though. Flipping the box to the side, we have the Romoss signature signs, and flipping it over again reveals the geeky and technical specifications of the power bank. And of course, we have Romoss's signature authenticity seal, which you could scan and verify at their website to check if your buy is legit or not. So let's open up the box. And of course, nothing left here, so that's basically the box. Let's now head over to the power bank itself. As you can see, we have the screen over there, the Romoss branding. To the side, we have the power button, and nothing on the other side. At the top, we have a plethora of charging input and output ports, which we'll talk about later. The paper stuff at the back includes the instruction pamphlet and user guide. It also has instructions to verify your power bank. And lastly, we have a tiny warranty card with terms and conditions by Romoss. The Romoss SW20 Pro is a massive beast sporting a 20,000 mAh of power. It feels very nice in the hand regardless of its big capacity. It almost feels lighter because of its design. And that LED screen is everything but bright in the sun, but it gets the job done, and has some cool features as well. The simple LED screen can actually measure the charging input and output speeds, and can glow the blue fit charge when it senses a fast flow of power. This is a closer look of the back design. And the bottom also has technical specifications printed on the power bank. Very handy for geeks like me. And now, for the star of the show. Let's start with the input ports. Over to the left, we have a simple arrow input logo with a plus sign. This signifies that it can charge with an ordinary fast charger, which uses a Type B USB cable or a Lightning cable. However, I've read at some articles that the micro USB input actually caters 9V 2A charging in comparison to the normal fast speeds of 5V or 2A, which is also good. Then over to the left, we have the Fit Charge Plus input, which can accommodate 9V or 2A, but it uses Romoss's Fit Charge technology to automatically regulate the flow of electrons from the charger to the power bank. This power bank also supports Quick Charge 3.0, both input and output. Then of course we have the output. This power bank also has Fit Charge Plus output that automatically detects the type of charging your phone can accommodate and regulate the flow of power as well. And on the right, we have the normal 2 Lightning fast output or the 2.1A output. Overall, this is my verdict for this power bank. I will definitely recommend this to all cheap power bank hunters out there who want a 20,000 mAh power bank to fuel their gadgets on the go. Its sleek design makes you forget its gigantic capacity, and its fast charging capabilities make you pat yourself on the back because you, my friend, have found the power bank of your dreams. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again on my next video.